What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. You know that the crypto market is in an absolutely amazing spot. We're seeing the overall market above a $2 trillion market cap. And we are not even in altcoin season. We are in a bull run. We are in the start of the bull run, but we're not in altcoin season. We're approaching altcoin season, but we're not there yet. So what I want to do within this video is take you through 10 of the top cryptocurrencies to get into, the top altcoins to get into before the halving, before we start to see things that explode, before we start to see all the money that trickles in to different projects here and the rest of the market. So I think this is very important. A lot of the positions I will hold as well because obviously I believe in them. So why not be a part of them? So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out Margex, that is a fantastic platform where you can leverage trade up to 100x leverage if you want to. You can also do 5x leverage. You can start with $5 or $1 and start leverage trading with a small amount to understand how to leverage trade in the market. But I think this is super important. I think going through some of the top altcoins that I think are going to be a big mover at 10x or maybe even more. And this is not to say that anything else that's not on this list is not going to move as well, because there are plenty of things that are going to move and potentially have a 10x. But this is positions that I've looked at that I think have a huge amount of opportunity. And again, this is nowhere near the end of this list. I wanted to maybe throw some things that are a little bit different at you, but let's start with a play that we're all familiar with on this channel and on a lot of channels, which would be XRP. XRP is a play to where we know that this has so much potential and it is completely underbought. Right now it's up by 7%. We did see it up to 62 cents on this given day at the end of February 29th. But is currently sitting around 60 cents. We've seen XRP go up and retrace from that level, and the reason why XRP is still at a lower level is because of the uncertainty with the SEC versus Ripple. So that's something we still have to factor into it, and I think it gives a lot of people buying opportunities, and I consistently buy more and more. By the end of this month, I should have somewhere around close to 30,000 XRP, which is absolutely amazing. But this is a fantastic play. I think you guys need to take a look at this. I'm probably not going to spend a crazy amount of time on every single play, but I just want to put those out there and you guys let me know what you think about these plays. The next one that I have on this list is Jasmine Coin, another one that we're familiar with. It's currently sitting at 2.1 cents. It just had the most amazing run in the last week and a half, 2 weeks or so. It's had the most amazing run that we've seen from this play. And I called this out from, years ago, right? I was looking at this and looking to invest into it a long time ago, but I was looking for the right time. They fully diluted their supply down to 98%, or sorry, up to 98%. We're seeing billions of dollars in volume as we go, per week. We're looking at multiple billions, and that's for a position that just reached a $1 billion market cap. I truly believe that this is going to have the ability to give you that 10x, not only a 10x, actually push more for like a 50x up to $1 price point, if not a little bit further than that. But this is definitely a play that a lot of people have had success with recently, and I think you need to take a closer look at. The next play that I have on this list is Caspa. Everybody talks about Caspa, and I missed out on an opportunity to buy it at a very low level. I ended up buying it with a cost basis of 11 cents. And right now I'm up a lot. I have $1,700 worth of Caspa. I wish I would have bought at a lower level because I would have bought more. But, shoulda, coulda, wouldas. I can't sit here and blame myself. I was looking for a certain target, a certain level to invest at. I didn't get it at that point. It's currently sitting at a $4 billion market cap and a 17-cent price. And we're seeing about $100 million worth of volume, and we expect to see so much more out of this play. A lot of people expect to see this worth, multiple tens of billions of dollars, if not getting into the hundreds of billions. So definitely give this a look. We did see this push up to about 18 on this given day. Now, the next play that I have on the list is Grock. Now, why is Grock on this list? I feel like this is a sleeper play that I've been heavily invested into, and I ended up averaging down as the price went all the way down, and now I'm up about $1,000 on this play. I invested and I have 1 million Grock, and this definitely shows where it currently is at a $50 million market cap that it has so much more room for growth, and it will basically be developed and be pushed by the popularity of the Grock AI chatbot, as well as Elon Musk, that anytime he mentions Grock, this Grock will move. So Twitter is a major factor, popularity is a major factor, and Elon Musk and the chatbot is going to be a bigger picture item for Grock overall. So I'm sold on this. I know that this is going to make a big play. I have $1 million, which is thousands of dollars that is invested, and I'm looking for thousands of dollars worth of a return while it only has 6 billion coins in circulation. Getting to $1, I believe this will be the first meme coin to get to $1, and then you'll see Dogecoin actually get there, but that's a whole nother story. The next position that I have on my list is Kronos. This is another big play. It's one of my larger investments, not my largest investment now, because XRP is pretty much my largest investment, as well as looking at, what I have in Jasmine Coin right now. But Kronos is almost at an 11-cent price as of the time of recording this video, and we're looking at about a $3 billion market cap. I believe this has so much more room for growth. Where this is, a lot of people predict that this is going to get to a $1 price easily. $1, $2, $3. $3 is the level that I believe that it's at. So not only are you seeing a 10x up to $1, about a 10x, you're also seeing 20x up to 2 and a 30x up to 3. So this is one of those plays to where they are doing so much in the end, and I could honestly break down the utility and pieces behind that, but that would take too much time to go through because they have a lot going for it. So Kronos is definitely a great play as well. The next one that I have on this list is Beam. I think Beam is going to kind of take over the gaming space, and we all know gaming is a big sector where people are looking to utilize cryptocurrency as a form of currency in their gaming situations, whatever it is, Xbox, PlayStation, PC gaming, it doesn't matter. But then you see the games and the things that are created with Beam, and you could see that level that's just way above a lot of other ones that are there. I feel like it's going to be a bigger player in the gaming space. I have about $1,000 worth of Beam, not a crazy amount. I would have invested more if it was still down at a level of 2 cents, but this has made a decent move over the short term, sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap at the time of recording this video. We are seeing about $53 million worth of volume, but I feel like gaming is going to definitely pick up as more money flows into altcoins. Now, the next play that I have here is another meme coin. It's Dog with Hat. Now, this is something that blows my mind. When I first seen it, I was like, there's no way that this is going to actually absolutely take off. And it did. It's up to about an $800 million market cap for a meme coin that's just a dog with a hat. Like, that's crazy, but it has the level of popularity that you all want, right? You're seeing $200 million worth of volume. I'm not saying that this is going to be use case wise. This is primarily for the gain. And looking for a 10x from here, I can definitely see that with this because it's something that's different. It's still a dog, and it will be classified as that meme coin, but it will have its own identity. Instead of having something that's like a different type of Doge or a different type of something or a different type of this, where it's kind of playing off of the old memes, it's something brand new that has its own identity. And I think that's going to be the play that does end up making a huge move within the meme coin sector. Now, the next one that I have here on my list is Compound. Compound I held before. I bought Compound before. I actually don't have Compound now. I sold a little bit of my Compound as I was leverage trading comp. And I believe this can easily get back to $500 to $1,000 with no sweat, no problem. You're looking at 8 million coins in circulating supply, and you have 10 million total. So when you see this at higher levels, you know it's not going to be a ridiculous market cap to get there. And as you see this get to a $100 price point, that's an $800 million market cap. It gets to a $1,000 price point, that's an $8 billion market cap. That is not absurd for something like comp. And I've seen the history, I've seen the growth, I've seen the movement, and comp definitely has that. So I can't wait to see that grow, but I really do want to be a major part of it. So I might have to throw some more money into that at the current level. If we look at the last two positions that we have here, we have Anchor. Anchor is one of those plays that was actually one of my first investment into the cryptocurrency market, one of them. Like when I got over to Coinbase, it was one that I saw opportunity in, and it has 10 billion total coins. I believe this should be worth a $10 billion market cap. The level of popularity goes in and out for this, but once it does see that push, you start to see it really pick up. It went from a 2 cent price to a 3 cent price recently, which is a 50% increase there. And I currently hold over $1,000 of it. It was like $700. Now it's over like $1,000 of Anchor Coin. And I think you guys need to give this a look and maybe research it a little bit more. Give it a chance here. And the last position that I wanted to talk about was API3. The reason why I mentioned API3, this is a play that grows pretty fast. Now, it was something that was more of one of my later like gem like plays, where I saw the opportunity in API3 and I saw where it can possibly go. And I just recently saw it grow by like $2 overall, and it consistently seems to gain a lot of traction over the places that it is available on, and it's available on Coinbase. Whenever something is available on S-tier exchanges, I try and find the reason as to why it can blow up and why it can make a huge move, and mainly around the popularity around the places where you can buy it. API3 is that. And also going into the detail, I really don't want to go into the use cases, because again, I could be here all day with a 30-minute video going through these 10 different positions, but I definitely implore you guys to look into it a little bit more, give it a chance, and if it is something that speaks to you, then maybe make that move. But those are the 10 positions that I had here as positions that could 10x that you want to look into before the halving actually happens. This is a list that I didn't know if I wanted to make this video. I am putting out a lot of positions that I am holding and the reasons why I am holding it, but it's primarily about the investment side of it, especially for all of us. It's about the investment side, about being able to turn a little bit of money into a lot of money, and being able to 10x. We're looking for all of those. Being able to 100x, we're definitely looking for those. And anything that could be 1,000x, 100% looking for that one. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out MargeX down below if you want to start leverage trading. You can leverage trade some of the positions that I've talked about, not all of them. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.